Hey y'all, so we are back again with another hairstyle for the frontal sleigh. Today I'm just gonna be showing y'all how I style my hair with some like the pins, like the cute little pins that you get from beauty supply store. Yeah, I'm gonna be showing y'all how I do like two different styles, like a side part and a middle part, using the pins. It's just to jazz up your hair so you don't have like the regular side part or the regular middle part, if you just like to be extra sometimes. So let's get into it.
Them the ones I bought, oh damn baby, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, oh baby, don't be scared. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it. Let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, don't be scared, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, oh man, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, hey. Into our shit. This is some shit that you could just snap to. This is some shit that you could just clap to. I'm trying to make this shit pretty impactful, but not as impactful as the way that you arch your back, boo. I'm so proud to tell you that I'm black, boo. And you a queen, you my little black boo. Love to kill the scene, towing in the black shoes. Them the ones I bought, oh damn baby, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, oh baby, don't be scared. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it. Let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, don't be scared, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, oh man, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, hey.
Okay, y'all, so for the second look, I don't know what happened with my camera or my lighting. Like, I think the sun went down or something, but it got like a little dark towards the end. Like, you can still see me, but it's like I'm not as seen as I was in the first part. But yeah, so this is the second hairstyle. This is the middle part for all my like middle part girls that just love their middle parts. You're gonna see I did the pins on two sides first, and then I changed it to just one side. I liked it better on just one side than having the other side like a regular, just it ain't doing nothing or whatever. But yeah, this second part of the look is just for like girls who like middle parts and they want like to see how you can do a pin style with the middle part. So yeah, enjoy.
Yeah. You know, yo, into our shit. This is some shit that you could just snap to. This is some shit that you could just clap to. I'm trying to make this shit pretty impactful, but not as impactful as the way that you arch your back, boo. I'm so proud to tell you that I'm black, boo. And you a queen, you my little black boo. Love to kill the scene, towing in the black shoes. Them the ones I bought, oh damn baby, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, oh baby, don't be scared. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it. Let me see you right there. Put your melanin in it, don't be scared, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, oh man, baby girl. Put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it, put your melanin in it.